Welcome back to our videos on knots. This is video number 3, how to turn a lead rope into reins. I like to ride in a halter quite a bit. That's how I start horses, and this is the most secure knot to do that. I've got Calypso here with me to help with my demonstration. I start by folding the rope over itself to be able to create a loop. And I'm going to take that loop and I'm going to put it in between the noseband and the rest of the halter there. And after I pull it to my desired length, I'm going to wrap it all the way around and back to the front. And from there, I can take the rope and I can thread it in between the strands. So I'm going down the middle. And then I'm splitting the ropes I wrapped around, so I go in between those two. And then with that loop at the end, I'm going to take the end of my rope and thread it through, pulling it down. Once I've got my knot made, then I'm going to go back and I can adjust the length a little bit. To adjust the length, you're going to take the end of the rope and follow the extra rope back through the knot, pulling it tight at each stage as you go. That way you can make sure that it's secure and the rope length is right where you would like it to be. The next clip that I have of Calypso will be me doing the same knot, but just from a different angle. Once again, I take the rope and thread it through, creating a loop. And then I adjust my rope length to be about where I'd like it to be. Doesn't have to be perfect because at the end you can adjust it. So I'm pulling the rope all the way around, back to the front, and I'm using my fingers to separate the ropes and pull the loop through. Once again, I separate the rope, pull the loop through, and then I'm going to take the end of my rope and thread it through the loop and pull it down so it's tight. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos and tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube page or follow us on social media.